Alright guys, so it's been a couple days since I pulled this out. I did bring the Yukon over, and I didn't film me getting to this point, but I've been trying to remove the wiring harness as carefully as possible. So I finally got everything pulled and rerouted, and everything that I want to keep is up here. I've got the ECU up on top just to keep the water off of it because it has been raining. But I just have to undo the tranny bolts and the so pretty much all the mounts, engine mounts. I got to get the torque converter bolts and the tranny bolts, and then we'll just plug the engine out and load this thing up on a trailer. But I'm kind of in a hurry today, so just a little quick update. I'll catch you guys later. Peace. This last weekend, I got the engine out of the Yukon, and we got the Yukon gone to my dad's, and it's disassembled, and now it's hiding in his storage bay. I've been getting this cleaned up. I've got the new oil pan on. There's the old oil pan sitting in the corner. We've got the new ring main seal, the gasket, everything installed, everything's torqued down. I've been cleaning up the heads. I used the old motor mounts. I had to cut, there's a little bit of a hump off the back of these, so I just cut the humps off and painted them the Chevy orange red, and I'm going to clean up the valve covers, and they're going to be the orange red as well. Other than that, I think all I've got left is to put the torque converter and the transmission on the back, get the wiring harness all together. I think Saturday I'm going to try to slide it in the car and bolt everything down. But yeah, there's the progress so far. I wish I would have recorded more, but it was late last night and I was pretty much working with nothing but my cell phone light. But I got all the gasket maker in the corners and waited a couple hours and then torqued it all down to 18 foot-pounds on the oil pan. I do have, for this right here, off the old pan, is that oil cooler lines. I am going to grab an aftermarket oil cooler. And put one on the front just to keep the temperatures down. I know things kind of run hot sometimes, and I want to avoid that as much as possible, so that's the combat plan. But anyway, there's the 4L80 flex plate. I do have the spacer in there, and this will center the nose of the torque converter. I've got all my bolts lined up and ready to go. I think I have to do one more change on the wiring harness to convert it to a 4L80 pin out instead of a 4L60, and then the harness is ready to go in the thing. But I did get the harness out of the truck, so I think I might make myself a second harness just for the sake of having a second one. But I'm running out of sunlight, so I'm going to clean up and I'll upload this soon. Talk to you guys later. Peace.